Hey guys, welcome to another video. My name is Kason, that is my Tacoma, and if you've been following along, we've done a couple of installs. We're going to be talking about them today, jumping right into the new tonneau cover. This tonneau cover is by Realtruck. It's a back tonneau cover. Really quick, Realtruck is helping me bring my truck to life, and I know they can for you too. They've got plenty of upgrades you can shop on their website using the links down in the description below. I know I've been bringing that up a lot. It's subscribing and clicking those links is the best way to support me. So I really appreciate you. I really appreciate Realtruck for helping me with this and helping me get a couple of mods and installs done for the truck to bring it to life, to bring my dreams. Because you know, I want to make this thing into an overlanding beast, and you got to have the right gear to do it. Not all the time, but it's nice to have. Anyway, this tonneau cover utilizes a latch system with their rails. So we're going to go ahead, pull this bad boy right here, and it is a hard roll up tonneau cover. You can see the rail system with the lever latches right here. Super cool. I love it so much. Along with this rail system, it also has a T-slot rail. We'll talk about that a little bit more, but I've been very impressed with this tonneau cover. I've never owned a tonneau cover. My dad has one, my best friend has one. They've talked them up. They're great. They cover and keep all your stuff protected, right? That's like their main purpose. So you can really have anything in your truck bed and it's out of the way. One thing that I've noticed with the tonneau cover, and maybe you guys have too, driving in the wind or like driving on the freeway and there's a crosswind, it doesn't catch the truck as much, if that makes sense. It doesn't bump the truck as much like with an open truck bed. You'd have wind coming this way and it like catches the truck and pulls it a little bit more. But with the tonneau cover, I've noticed it doesn't do that. So that's pretty cool. That's just something I've realized with my personal experience. I don't know if you guys have either, but this thing is so cool. Super heavy duty metal and vinyl, very high quality. I'm very impressed with this, comparing it to other tonneau covers that I've seen out there. I like having that hard cover because it's streamlined too. I mean, look at that. It's nice and flat, really streamlines the back of the truck. You can hardly tell it's there, and it really just adds a slick look to the back of the truck. So let's roll this up. I can still utilize my factory T-rails here that came with my truck. You can see, if you head over, watch the install video, you'll see everything I'm talking about when it comes to this tonneau cover and the install. So I mentioned this T-slot system right here, right? Now this is where I might have made a mistake, a little bit of oversight on my part, are these crossbars. You can see they implement right in with this rail system, and that's honestly why I got them, why I picked them out. But you can see the problem is when I go rolling up, they're a little low, right? So I only have access to like 80% of my truck bed, which isn't too bad of a problem because I can still reach back here and grab all my stuff. I made sure of that. And I can also strap it with the straps that it came with, like this. I can still strap it and keep it secure in case I need to roll it up in the future. So not a huge problem, but it definitely isn't what I wanted, right? I mean, we want to be able to roll up our tonneau cover all the way. So if I have some gear like a cooler or something, I can roll it up all the way if needs be. So far, we've been all right. As you can tell, I've got the traction boards on them and the recovery shovel. I need to get some cool new bolts. I lost my other ones that came with this, so we can get rid of the bungees. This is just temporary, right? Just to kind of show you guys what I'm utilizing it for right now, which I think still looks really cool. These are also made out of super heavy duty steel. These are actually pretty heavy. Carrying them down and putting them and installing them on here was kind of tough, just because they are so heavy duty and they're gonna last such a long time. But I need your help. I have an idea for these crossbars to make them a little bit better. So we talked about the height, right? I want to bring these up a little bit so we can still roll our tonneau cover up and go underneath by welding or getting some metal here and making them taller. So my dad and I were going to put our heads together, and I think that would be a really cool series, a really cool idea to custom fabricate, custom make and utilize these crossbars that realtruck helped me out with. And you guys know I love DIY projects. I like making what I have readily available to me, what I already have, into something that can work for the truck. I mean, huge example right there, right? We made this pull-out kitchen camper bed system. Why can't we fabricate and make something to build up those crossbars into a rack type of thing, right? We could build it up, scoot this underneath, and maybe even spread them out, of course. What's so cool about these is I can adjust them as much as I want, and maybe put a molly panel system in between so we can throw stuff on the sides, just like those $1,000 racks that are out there available on the market right now. So that's kind of the big idea for those, right? I need your help. I need your thoughts. Leave them in the comments, what you think. I don't want to go spending hundreds or thousands of dollars on a brand new rack when I've got a DIY project sitting right here. So those are kind of the future plans with the crossbars. Even though they didn't work out like I thought they would, I'm learning from my oversight and learning from my mistakes, right? That's what that's all about. So really cool. I still love them. I'm still using them, right? We figured out a way to make it work. And honestly, this is gonna be great. I'm gonna test it out, play around with it. Who knows? We'll mess with it. So stay tuned on the crossbars. Let's go ahead. We'll just roll this back. Boom, so cool. I love that sound. And I love just latching that down, throwing the tailgate up, and just knowing that all my stuff is good to go. And it looks so great too. Oh man, I love it. So fun. I love throwing new gear on the truck. You guys know, I'm sure you have a similar feeling. But thank you, realtruck, and seriously, to you watching this video, thank you so much. Thank you for supporting me, subscribing, clicking the links down below. Like I said, it's the best way to support me and the stream I have for this truck and this channel. You guys seriously mean the world to me. You mean more than you know. Keep showing the support. Throw your thoughts down in the comments. It's gonna help us figure out what we'd like to do, what you guys would like to see. And I know I've mentioned for 4 straight videos now, we're throwing a new suspension on the truck. I'm so excited. I don't know when it's gonna be here, right? There's a big lead time on these things. So it's just a matter of time. I gotta get the suspension, we gotta throw it on, and that's probably the most exciting thing coming our way, because my back suspension, one of the gaskets broke, I'm pretty sure, and there was oil just all over. So I'm pretty sure I have a broken suspension right now. This thing rides rough, it's super bouncy, so I'm really excited just to get it fixed and have something new and exciting for you guys on the channel as well. Stay tuned for more, and I will see you guys in the next one.